Hello everyone out there. Super glad you are here. Check out in this clip. We have this number 3430 and our goal is to get its prime factors. Let's start the solution. Now put down our 3430. Then draw vertical line. Look at these prime numbers set on the left. Dividing 3430 by 2, which equals 1715. So 3430 divided by 2 equals 1715. Dividing 1715 by 2. The result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 1715 by 3. The result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 1715 by 5, which equals 343. So 1715 divided by 5 equals 343. Dividing 343 by 5. The result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 343 by 7, which equals 49. So 343 divided by 7 equals 49. Dividing 49 by 7, which equals 7. So 49 divided by 7 equals 7. Dividing 7 by 7, which equals 1. So 7 divided by 7 equals 1. And we are done. The prime factors for 3430 are 2 times 5 times 7 times 7 times 7, which can be written as 2 times 5 times 7 to the power 3. And these were the whole prime factors for this number. Hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed today's content.